Welcome. Indian Medical Association Barashat branch organized its 48th annual conference on 11th January 2026. 17 CME were organized with renowned speakers on different subjects from the country, all over the country. Our renowned chairpersons controlled and moderated the CMEs to give it a very beautiful order and fashion. Welcome all the delegates. 230 delegates participated in this CMI. There are some glimpses in this video.
Welcome all delegates to 48th annual conference of Ayurveda Maharashtra branch. We are going to start our CME program. West Bengal Medical Council accredited program for 5 points. May I call upon the dais President Dr. Tapan Kumar Vishwas and the Secretary Dr. Subroto Kumar Mundal.
আজকে সবাই জানেন যে 17টা সিএমই আছে এবং টাইমলি শুরু করতেই হবে, কারণ এটা যেহেতু ক্রেডিট পয়েন্টের ব্যাপার, সেজন্যই টাইমলি শুরু করব, টাইমলি শেষ করব। এইভাবে আপনাদের কোঅপারেশন চাইছি। আস্তে আস্তে আশা করি লোকজন এসে যাবে। আমাদের যারা কোঅর্ডিনেটর রয়েছে তারা কে কে আছে? প্রদীপ মিত্র, সুমন চ্যাটার্জি, রাজেশ কর, সৌমিত্রা হালদার, শুভ্রজ্যোতি মজুমদার, শঙ্কর চ্যাটার্জি, শামিমা জেসমিন, দেবজ্যোতি গাঙ্গুলি, অপর্ণা মুখার্জি, অলোকানন্দ রায়, উৎসব, দীপঙ্কর। আপনার প্রদীপ মিত্র আজকের কোঅর্ডিনেটর। সেক্রেটারি কিছু বললে বলো।
ঠিক আছে, তো আজকের প্রোগ্রামটা শুরু করছি, কারণ টাইম মেপে না করতে পারলে শেষ করা মুশকিল। ঠিক আছে প্রদীপ।
We are starting with Dr. P.K. Chowdhury oration. The speaker is Dr. Kajol Chandra Roy, MBBS MD Radiology. He will be talking on abdominal CT imaging, myth, facts and clinical reality. Chairperson for this session is Dr. Shamlal Agarwal and Dr. Suman Mondal. May I requesting Dr. Shamlal Agarwal and Dr. Suman Mondal to please come up on the dais. So first we are starting with the Dr. P.K. Chowdhury oration medallion. It will be given to Dr. Kajol Chandra Roy by our President Dr. Tapan Kumar Vishwas.
We are right on time. So it's again radiology leading from the front. Today's first topic is myths and facts about CT abdomen.
Clinicians, administrators, even within doctors themselves, radiologists themselves. There are several myths surrounding
And other retroperitoneal structures. So, thank you very much, Dr. Kajol Rai.
So we are going to our next session. The topic is Beyond Glycemic Control, Addressing Diabetes Distress to Optimize Patient Outcome. The speaker is renowned Dr. Gautam Saha, MBBS MD Psychiatry, and chairperson is Dr. Nobin Sarkar, MBBS MD DM Neurology, and Dr. Polash Vishwas, MBBS MS Gynae and Obs.
Good morning, everybody. So we are going to the next speech. The glycemic control, beyond glycemic control, stress and depression around it. So this is Dr. Gautam Saha. He needs no words to introduce.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am really grateful to the IMA office bearer for getting the opportunity to talk in front of you. I choose this topic because you know that today it is the conference of doctors from all branches. So it is not psychiatry only. So we can talk some part of the psychiatry along with the medicine. You know that in all branches we are facing depression, other psychiatric illness, as well diabetes too, because you know that diabetes is a factor.
To our next session, may I call upon Dr. Subhash Poddar, MBBS and MD Pediatric, for our next session. A diagnostic challenge, multi-system involvement with persistent fever and rash in a case of adolescent. And I would also like to invite Dr. Shubir Roy, MBBS DCH, and Dr. Pranabesh Ghosh, MBBS DCH.
Today's subject is a diagnostic challenge, multi-system involvement with persistent fever and rash in an adolescent.
Thanks to Dr. Shubir Rai and my senior Dada, Dr. Papun Kumar Bishak, to give me a scope to say something regarding my topic. Respected audience, what I am telling today, it is a diagnosis challenge. My topic is a diagnosis challenge, multi-system involvement with persistent fever and rash in an adolescent.
র্যাশেস ডায়াগনোসিস, ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ডায়াগনোসিস সম্পর্কে যা শুনলাম, অ্যাকচুয়ালি এরপরে আর নতুন করে কিছু বলার নেই। ডক্টর পোদ্দারকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
So approaching a fever in any patient, we should remember that we take the history like an undergraduate student.
May I call upon stage Dr. Pratim Sengupta, MD, DM Nephrology. The topic is paradigm shift in a nephrology over the last century. May I call upon stage Dr. Astik Boni Ghoshal and Dr. Subhash Haldar to chair the session. Let's start. We are already lagging behind the time.
Hello everybody. Today is a very pleasant day with beautiful and bright sunshine around. Some degree of coolness is there.
So, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning and very warm welcome. And I'm really happy that IMA Barasat. I think we all know that IMA is the world's largest medical association. And IMA Barasat is West Bengal's largest IMA, having more than 530 members. Incredible. And this is really this annual programs where so many luminaries in the field of medicine, different discipline, starting from the general medicine and other specialties. It's a really honor to be here and to speak about something which is as a very new discipline. Nephrology as a discipline, practicing as a discipline, hardly maybe 15-20 years old.
thanks for excellent, very elaborating and illuminating speech. Dr. Pratim Sengupta, many thanks.
আচ্ছা, আমাদের মধ্যে উপস্থিত হয়েছেন ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল মেডিকেল কাউন্সিলের থেকে আমাদের অবজারভার, আমাদের সকলের শ্রদ্ধেয় ডক্টর হিরণময় সাহা। হয় নাকি? আচ্ছা, মেমেন্টোটা কই? শামিমা, মেমেন্টোটা তুলে দাও। এবার আমি ডক্টর হিরণময় শাহকে, উনি মেডিকেল কাউন্সিলের মেম্বার, আপনারা জানেন, বারাসাত ব্রাঞ্চ থেকে ইলেক্টেড, তাকে অনুরোধ করছি কিছু বলার জন্য।
I am a Barasat branch. On behalf of Medical Council, we are really grateful to them. এর আগেও একটা করেছে সিএমই, আজকেও একটা করলো। ইটস এ ভেরি গুড জেস্চার। যেহেতু এটা শিক্ষার বিষয়, আমি সারা জীবন ওয়ান পয়েন্ট এজেন্ডা নিয়ে চলেছি, যে মানসিক অবসাদ এবং ডিপ্রেশন নিয়ে দুটো কথা বলার জন্য। সব অসুখের অনেক পরীক্ষা নিরীক্ষা লাগে, কিন্তু মানসিক অবসাদ শুধু একটু অবজার্ভ করতে পারলে, একটু মানুষকে ফিল করতে পারলে আইডেন্টিফাই করা যায়। নমস্কার, ধন্যবাদ। আপনারা ভালো করে সেমিনার করুন, আমি আবার পরে এসে দেখি।
ডাক্তার হিরণময় শাহ আর একটু বলি, বললেন যখন রবীন্দ্রনাথেরও মানসিক ডিপ্রেশন ছিল এবং তা নিয়ে উনি একখানা বই লিখেছেন, সে বইখানা এত আলোচিত হয়েছে চারিদিকে, বইমেলায় প্রায় সব স্টলে পাওয়া যায় এবং আমরা আমাদের আইএমের স্টলেও, আমাদের লাইব্রেরিতেও তার বই রেখেছি, এবং সেটা রবীন্দ্রনাথের মানসিক অবসাদ যে ছিল সে ব্যাপারে উনি রিসার্চ করে বের করেছেন পড়ে পড়ে।
Now I would like to invite our esteemed speaker, Dr. Neeraj Kumar Jha, and our esteemed chairperson, Dr. Prabir Kumar Chakraborty. They will deliver speech on recent advancement in cardiac surgery.
Request Dr. Neeraj Kumar Jha to start his very interesting subject, recent advancement in cardiac surgery.
We have traveled miles away from the starting of the journey in the field of the cardiac surgery. There is the two pictures which have shown that we have traveled so far. In the first picture, there is the historic landmark surgery called the BT shunt surgery. It was done for the cyanotic congenital complex heart disease in 1944. You can say in this picture and the other side, there is the recent advanced robotic surgery in which a surgeon can operate, surgeons can operate anywhere in the world. Recently, we have seen that surgeon sitting in the Bangalore has operated a patient which was in the Mumbai.
Dr. Rajesh Kaur. I would request Dr. Kajol Chandra Rai to please come onto the dais, and please, and Dr. Rajesh Kaur also to be the chairperson of this topic. Thank you. Sir, please start your speak.
Organs. I am taking care of eyes for the geriatric persons, mostly above 60 years. So it is a huge topic, not able to cover all the points in 20 minutes.
Thank you very much, Dr. Abhijit Paul.
Our next topic is uterine and cervical growth, a common issue that is a burning topic. Our speaker is esteemed gynecologist Dr. Ratna Chatterjee ma'am, and our chairperson are the two esteemed gynecologists Dr. Ashraf Ali and Dr. Paramita Srimali.
The senior most and eminent gynecologist of Barashat. She will be delivering a talk on puberty menorrhagia. Didi, please start your session.
প্রত্যেকের ঘরে বোন বা নিজেদের মেয়ে সব তো আছেই যাদের এই সমস্যা খুব বেশি হয়। পিউবার্টাল মেনোরেজিয়া অর্থ কী? পিউবার্টি শুরু হয় সাধারণত 12, 13, 14 বছর বয়সে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি মেনার্কি যখন কিনা মেয়েদের প্রথম menstrual cycle শুরু হয়।
Actually, puberty menorrhagia is a health hazard because in Indian women, average hemoglobin level is low. Excessive menstruation causes further deduction. Aims, as Dr. Ratnadi has stated all the things.
Thank you. It was a very hot topic, puberty menorrhagia, and we had a very good, beautiful discussion that has helped all of us in general.
Epistaxis and its management. Speaker will be our eminent ENT surgeon, Dr. Kollan Pal. That will be chaired by Dr. Subhash Chandra Haldar, another esteemed ENT surgeon, and Dr. Devashish Bosu. Please come on to the dais. I request the speaker sir and the chairperson sir to please come on to the dais. And I would request Dr. Alokananda Rai to please felicitate our speaker, Dr. Kollan Pal. And also felicitate Dr. Subhash Chandra Haldar and Dr. Devashish Bosu.
All my respected IMA members and my special gratitude to President Dr. Topon sir for giving me a scope to speak on this auspicious occasion. So this topic is very common, epistaxis. Epistaxis means bleeding through the nose.
Redefining treatment outcomes with immunotherapy, early triple negative breast cancer. The speaker is Dr. Sanjoy Mondol, MBBS MD Oncology, and the chairperson is Dr. Mohammad Shafiqul Haq, MBBS DGO, and Dr. Robindranath Mukherjee, MBBS Surgery MS. Sir, please come up on the dais.
Dr. Sanjoy Mondolকেও একটু বলতে হবে, উনি মানে অনকোলজিস্ট, কিন্তু আমরা প্রাউড কেন তার নিয়ে যে সে আইএমএ বারাসাত ব্রাঞ্চের মেম্বার, এবং তিনি তারও একটু ব্যস্ত সময়ের মধ্যেই আমাদের জন্য এগুলো অর্গানাইজ করতে পারছি। এই অনুরোধে সবাই একসাথে হল ছেড়ে বেরোবেন না, মাঝে মধ্যে দু একজন করে উঠে গেলেন, সই করলেন, আবার চলে আসলেন। সঞ্চয় এবং
Dr. Sanjoy Mondol felicitating Dr. Mohammad Shafiqul Haq, chairperson, and Dr. Robindranath Mukherjee, another chairperson. And now we are starting our next session. Please.
Yes, as I told, chemotherapy is a traditional. We know chemotherapy is a cytotoxic agent. If we introduce by IV channel, it will kill all the proliferative cell, both normal cells and the tumor cell. But immunotherapy specifically target the PD-L1 expression that are expression in the tumor cells. So it is augment the immune system, because in cancer cell when grow, it actually escape by detection of the T cells.
Is rising incidence of heart attack in young. Our speaker is Dr. Shoujato Chakraborty, MBBS, MD, DM Cardiology. And our chairpersons are Ranjan Majumdar, MBBS, DPM, and Dr. Ramesh Chandra Saha, MBBS, Deep Card. Sir, please come on the dais. Please. Felicitation of chairpersons. Sir. Thank you, sir. Now, please, we are handing over to the speaker.
Thank you, sir. আমি জানি I am standing between you and lunch, so I won't take so much time. I will. So it's a beautiful afternoon, but my topic is a little bit maybe depressing or somber for that matter. But my intention is that I will not keep it too technical, and at the end of it, maybe you will find some positive points. So it's not a technical talk, but I chose this topic because basically we as physicians, whoever is involved in the medical field, we keep on getting lots of questions regarding this thing. Young people succumbing to heart attack, cardiac events, what do we do about it? Are we as a population susceptible compared to other populations? Is there a genetic predisposition? Is there nothing that we can do about it? So we find young people succumbing to MI, and that's what my talk is about.
So I would like to give a big thank to Dr. Chakraborty. So first of all, I would like to, Dr. Saha, please felicitate Dr. Chakraborty. Please give a big hand. And I would like to request Dr. Chakraborty to felicitate Dr. Saha and Dr. Majumdar. Sir, please come here.